Hey guys. Nice. Ay, wala pa tayo aircon. Tingnan mo. So, wala pa tayong hindi mag-grow sa CapCut. Ibig sabihin, mahirap na mag-reduce noise. Tanging raise volume na lang. And guess who's trying to distract herself kasi disappointed sa grades? I know I've been trying to prepare myself for this kind of scenario kasi hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan yun. Sometimes, kahit ibigin natin yung best natin is mafe-feel pa rin natin yung ganito. Maybe it's because of the pressure, but I'm the only one who's putting pressure sa sarili ko. I'm not saying na you guys should feel the same. I mean, like, I'm always, like, comparing into comparison. For example, I did my best. I know that I did my best. But, titignan ko pa rin yung side na pwede ko i-compare sa sarili ko. And, kapag napagtanto ko, na-realize ko na hindi pala ganun worth it yung nagawa ko. So, parang may doubt na. So, parang hindi na ako proud. Just like what I am feeling right now. I know I should not be feeling this kasi yeah, I don't know. I hope malampasan ko yung ganitong type of issue. Kasi sarili ko lang din naman yung kalaban ko. Which is bad. Gusto ko lang maramdaman na yung gumala. Gusto ko lang maramdaman yung high school. You know, naniniwala ako na ngayon na ano ba? A lot of neighbors. So I'm talking to my best friend since elementary and I'm ranting. Sa kanya ako nag-rant still. Madami akong pinag-rantan. Madaming taong nakakapakinig ng mga rants ko. But those people are the ones that I trust the most. And I know you guys also have those kind of people, those type of people, and you're lucky to have them. Try not to cry. Sabi ko kanina, hindi ako naiyak nung makita ko yung grades ko, nung nakapit ko yung general weighted average. Sabi ko hindi ako iiyak at hindi ako naiiyak. But I know that I'm disappointed. Yeah, time is alam ko naman na we should be grateful for them and we should not compare ourselves and we should be proud of our achievements. But ewan, hindi ko naman naiiwasan. Hindi naman natin naiiwasan. Wait naman. I don't know guys if you guys already saw me wearing this in my vlogs. Kasi nagpapasin ko din sa mga edit ko. Oh my gosh, pare-pareho lang yung mga suot ko. And I don't know guys if you noticed that, but okay lang yun. Yun yung magmamark sa utak ko. I did some changes in my kwarto after hearing about the... Hindi, inauna pala ito bago ako mag-inis ng kwarto. Pero, I'm just gonna lock my door kasi I'm talking to the camera and once they open it, they're gonna see me. One. And you know, every day, I am like, ano ba yun? Tawag dito. Ang sabi ko, eh, yun na sila teachers. Those are mga teachers. Those are from my brother. Ni-print niya lahat yan ba? Tapos, birthday niya sa akin, din-display niya yun dun. Tapos, naglagay siya ng mga ilaw like this. I'm not the person na nag-share ng kung ano-ano sa Facebook, like madaldal. Yeah, before I was like that. But then, people change. And you know guys, nagbabago naman talaga ang tao, and when when was like, napagtanto ko, and then oh my god, is it kulangot? No, it's not kulangot guys ha, it's, okay, never mind. Anyways, pero kapag talagang may dinaramdam ako, I used it as a, what do you call that? Kapag nananaman ka, yung ginagawa mo para maiwasin, para hindi mo ma-feel. Oh, I don't know. No, this is bad. Ang ingay. You know, I just wanna feel like what I'm feeling before in high school. And I'm naniniwala na ako guys na kapag na-era talaga na may miss natin is high school era, high school period, or classmates, or friends. Kasi talaga iba talaga yung circle na nabuo during high school. I don't know now in college. Kasi in college, kasi serious na, like, focus ka na lang talaga kasi it's like the final stage. Nakakamiss kasi dati when I was high school, I miss the feeling of like waiting for my sundo, my papa outside the school. Like, kasi dati sa school, uwi ako mga 4. No, nagka-cut ng class mga 4:30 p.m. Excuse me, 4:30 p.m. And then, once na di uwi na kami, tapos palalabasin din ng guard, tapos mag-aantay. Yung iba may mga sundo na ng habang, tapos yung papa ko, wala pa, nag-iintindi pa ng mga alagang hayop. Iba talaga yung bond, iba yung when it comes to high school compared to college. Kasi now that I'm in college, I have people that know me, that I know that I guess close to me na, but I don't feel the same as what I feel back when I was in high school. And yes. Oh my gosh, it's 12 minutes. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Oh! I'm gonna say this pala. I'm so grateful. Let's visit our channel. We are already. Wait. We're already 78 in the family. Always deduct the 2 kasi that's my account that I have subscribed on my channel. We are 78 in the family. I'm so happy kasi it just happened in between 2 days, I guess. Like naglalagay ako ng bio, di ba, nakita nyo na nakalagay 70 subscribers, nilalagay ko lang siya, and then the other day, I was so shocked na oh my gosh, it was like 70 subscribers na, and inaabangan ko rin yung views, guys. Like, I'm also waiting for the views. And then, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna take a screenshot of it and I'm gonna zoom it so you guys can see. Look! Yung lang, 9,100 something to. Pero ngayon, look. Saan na? Look. Look, guys. It says 9,322 views. See? I joined June 27, 2024. So, malapit na mag-anniversary. Mag-anniversary yung channel na to. And I'm grateful with that I am slowly being connected to you guys. The other one, entitled ganito, hindi siya meant for uploading talaga. It was like, for my TikTok. You guys don't know my TikTok yet? Would you guys want me to recommend my TikTok to you? So, What's this? My TikTok. My TikTok was... nag-aabang. Ang name niya is... Ito siya guys. Just if you want to follow me or you just want to watch videos. It's also fun. A fan... What's that? I'm gonna drop it here. This is my TikTok. No, I'm trying to sell here in my TikTok. Do you guys want me to sing? Huh? Yes! Okay, let me just check the lyrics. Kasi baka kanta-kanta tapos mali-mali naman yung lyrics. So it's gonna be forever. Oh, it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. If the heart was worth of pain, I'm gonna love this lovers. They tell you I'm insane. Cause you know I love the players and you love the game. Cause we're young and we're reckless. We'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless. Oh, with nasty scar. Gonna love this all this love. That's it. So, are we gonna end this vlog now? But I still want to talk. Should we go live?